We're not using this plug anymore. I honestly don't know what it is for, but I'll cover it and tape it, stick it back where it was. Maybe leave a comment down below if you know what it is for. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just doing a fuel filter change. We're going to keep it short and sweet. I know I've done this 20 times now, but I want to show on the front for the fuel filter how easy it is to change out with the Mega Ram in there. And then on the back I have this awesome new product by Black Market Performance. It's a fuel heater. So this block here just goes on to where the fuel filter is now, or water separator. And you put that onto here. So just a little added block that houses a thermostat, and this will kick on at 50 degrees and help prevent your fuel from gelling back there. So before we go ahead and do that, I realized in the last install video I didn't really show much of the install of the Monster Ram. So I think there's plenty showing how to install this. And all the specifics about it, but you know, you have your 6 bolts. You get a new fuel line for cylinder 1. But what I wanted to show you guys was I actually went with pusher performance on the charge pipes. And the only reason I went with the pusher ones versus the banks was they were on sale, and I just wanted to save some money. I didn't think there'd be too much difference. I don't think there really is too much difference in them, but if you go ahead and look, you can kind of see, I mean, it might just be the way I installed it or something. Maybe I don't have the boot on right or something, but I couldn't really get these to line up perfectly. And this is the boot that comes with the pusher pipes, and it just wasn't big enough to make that angle, or however that is. So I ended up cutting the boot off the OEM charge pipe, which is what that is, and it's working great right now. So if maybe you guys have that issue or need a different boot in a pinch, just grab the boot off the OEM. I think the only thing you lose is this one's nice, a little bit thicker and nicer quality, but you know what, this was on the truck and it works great for me. So let's get set up and hop on this fuel filter here. I don't think it'll be bad. Just drop it down and bring it right through here. So let's do that. Like that, the fuel filter is changed. Pretty simple, probably a little easier than with the OEM one on there. I think I just have to go like down and around, but worked out pretty simple. Now let's hop into the fuel heater. All right, so there's our cat water separator. And right here is where this plug's gonna go into. I ended up put like a little rubber glove over it and taped it all up, so we'll have to pop that off and undo everything. So our thermostat can go plug into there, and we'll drop this guy out and try to clean this up. Looks a little dirty, but looks a little dirty. But we'll pop this down, get that other block up there. I might have to take the whole piece down, actually, it looks like. Yeah. Okay, well, get you guys set up so we can do that. Alright, we got the original block here. A little dirty, but she's still doing her job, so we'll get this cleaned up. And then we'll take the heating block and screw that on top and get this back installed and be on our way. Alright guys, I'm back. So I wish I got a better shot, but the gasket that this comes with, pretty thick gasket, and took a little bit of persuasion to get, my OCD wanted both the flat pieces in the back, on the back there. So it took a little bit of persuasion. My vise is in on the table, so we just put it in there and took a 3/4 inch. I know some of you will probably cringe over this, but just cranked it on. I'd back it off, put it on, back it off, put it on, just to kind of get that gasket to sit. But it's in there, and no, I did not mess up any of the threads in there by doing that. You can see it kind of goes all the way through to the other side there. So it puts leverage all the way through there. I'm definitely not recommending you do that, but my OCD kicked in and I wanted both the flat pieces to the back on here. So let's hop back into the truck, get this installed, and that'll be it. Alright, we got everything installed, back installed. We got the fuel lines up. You can see the little heater in there. It's perfect. Wiring's all done. Pretty simple, not too bad. Just it's really tight with that gasket, like I said, but we got it on there how I wanted it. It looks good. I just gotta get the filter on. Alright guys, and like that, we are done with this video. Probably the hardest part was just getting the flat pieces to line up from the heater to the lining up to the flat piece on the base plate. But other than that, it was pretty good. We just used a little bit of Yankee engineering and got that sorted out. I did want to just touch on one thing. I was thinking about this since we are putting the heater in. With the grid heater delete, I'll post here. I haven't had any issues, knock on wood, yet. I have, there was a negative 15 day sat at work. It was positive 16 when I left work, and she cranked right over. So that was with nothing, no grid heater, no fuel heater, but now we're just with the fuel heater just adding to, so that will help a lot. So once again, I don't think the grid heater is necessary. Maybe if you're just letting the truck sit outside all night, then yeah, you probably do need it. But for me, it's been pretty good. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Nice and short one, but like I said before, we'll see you in the next one. And until next time, enjoy the ride.